Hey, what's up guys? Today we are going to be decorating a tiered tray for St. Patrick's Day and turning it into a super fun snack station. I had made a hot chocolate bar for the kids for Christmas, and then they loved it so much we decided to do a Valentine's Day one, and continuing our new family tradition along and doing one for St. Patrick's. It's a really fun way to make your family feel special and like they're getting that little bit of extra attention and love from you. Let's get decorating our tiered tray snack station. So I'm just going to be getting out my supplies for my 3-tiered snack station. I got chocolate coins. Sour Patch Kids. A tip to make your mason jar look really cute is add a piece of scrapbook paper or fabric to the inside of the lid. Whatever you have on hand, it just really adds extra little touch to your mason jars. Jelly beans. Airhead Extreme Rainbow Berry. I thought these would be really funny. Now I'm just going to arrange everything on the tiered tray. I got these scarves at the Dollar Tree. They are super cute and a really fun way to add little pops of color, and I think you could use them in a lot of really fun, creative ways. Have you ever used dollar store scarves to decorate with?
If I will ever figure out where the road goes, even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down.
I mean, this snack station is so cute. Now I am just adding some of this wire confetti garland. I'm not sure what you call it, but I love it. It is really fun. Just adds that extra little bit of color. I also like that it is very inexpensive as well. Now I am just adding some more of the chocolate coins to this ramekin, and I'm putting a shamrock in the middle of the coins.
Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high.
These cute signs. One says lucky, the other one says kiss me. In my lantern, I am just adding some foam shamrocks. So I never buy Lucky Charms, but I thought for St. Patrick's Day that it would be really cute to get a box of Lucky Charms for the kids. And I am just tying another one of those dollar store scarves around it just to make it look a little bit nicer.
I get so caught up in the middle, thinking of drowning in those blue eyes. I'm losing sight 'cause I am falling. I'm so deep down, deep down.
I am hanging a shamrock garland.
That I die, I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, yeah, I can carry all that you've got. Two heavy hearts is not a lot. I will put out all of the fire. We stumble and fall, and it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire.
Thanks for watching. I hope this video inspires you to decorate a tiered tray and or do a fun St. Patrick's Day theme snack station of your own. If you're not already subscribed, make sure to hit the subscribe button.
Mine.
My snack station has been pirated. Bring that back.
Just kidding.
The snack station pirate has decided to return the goods.
For you, I am running for you. I am running for you.
What's that behind your ear?
You took my Red Bull too.
Oh, is that your Red Bull?
Yes. Oh my god. This one. This one. You know, uh-huh. Yes, mommy. Yes, mommy. Yes, mommy. Yes, mommy. As you can see, my family loves the snack station. It hasn't even been up for 5 minutes and they are already so excited. When I did my Valentine's Day snack station, my 15-year-old was like, don't tell anybody else it's open yet. I need to get candy first. Remember to subscribe and turn on notifications. We are always putting out videos on all things homemaking and mom life. A ton of cleaning motivation, decorating, DIY, cooking, and fun activities. You are not going to want to miss all the awesome videos we have coming out for spring. We'd love to have you as part of our YouTube family. I will put links in the description of stuff that I used to do this project. If you're curious about anything that isn't linked, just let me know in the comments. I'll find a link for you, and if I can't find a link, I'll let you know where I got it. We also decorated our house for St. Patrick's Day. I will link that video below as well if you want to check that out. And I'm going to be putting out some fun St. Patrick's Day themed recipes as well. So make sure to turn on notifications. You have a bunch of fun stuff planned for spring. I have a ton of cleaning motivation. I'm going to be doing a spring cleaning series. I'm going to do some meal planning based off of our pantry and freezer, adding some fresh items to spice them up and make them delicious. But I'm going to be cleaning those out, getting rid of any expired foods, and making the most of what we have in the house. That will be part of my spring cleaning series. I'm going to be doing a bunch of deep cleaning, decluttering, organizing, all that good stuff. So we're going to be having a ton of cleaning motivation for you. And also I'm going to be doing a bunch of fun things for Easter, of course, decorating, recipes, and I love to get outside with my kids. So I will be sharing some of my favorite outdoor items for kids and inexpensive and fun craft projects to get you outdoors and enjoying some quality time with your family. I live in Washington. It's rainy around here quite often, but the sun has been out lately, and let me tell you, during the winter I actually struggle a lot because it gets so dark sometimes and you can't go outside, and I get depressed and sometimes unmotivated. That's one thing I want to say. I appreciate you guys because my channel is helping me stay motivated and do the things I want to do, but especially in the winter time are very difficult for me to do because of, you know, what is it called? Seasonal disorder or whatever. I don't technically have it, but I definitely am affected by the winter season. It's just hard for it to be dark and gloomy, and long story short, I am glad to see days of sun, be outside and get some fresh air. If any of you have struggled with the winter blues, have you found anything that's worked for you that has helped kind of combat that? I've thought about getting one of those sun lamps, one of those happy lamps. I'm not really sure how they work, but if you've tried that, let me know what you thought of it and if it helped you as well. So I'm so excited to be moving on to spring and summer and all that good stuff. So I hope your week is filled with peace, love, and fun.